So along the top, the first thing you'll notice is it greets me by name. It's Dave's Kindle. It knows who I am, and because of that, it's populated all my libraries. I have a search bar here that allows me, if I click on it, to search both my libraries in the cloud and on the device, and also the web. And then along below there, I have the various different categories that we think are really important for users of Kindle Fire: newsstand books, music, video, docs. And then we have a carousel that it's much like the home of existing Kindles, e-ink Kindles, in that it's sorted by recency, but instead of being only books, now it's all media types. You'll see applications, books, there's a website there, you'll see magazines, Angry Birds, and each one of these is sorted by recency. And then down below I have my shelf of all the different types of things that I want down below. So if I wanted to, for example, save something to my favorite shelf, let's say that's in the carousel or something like that, I can just go ahead, pick a book. Let's say I'm looking for one that's not already down there. Here, there's one. So I'll go with The Girl Who Played Fire. I just hold it, say add to favorites. It then goes down below and it's add to favorites. Once it's there, if I want to rearrange things, I can just kind of
Do you have a periodical you can bring up so we can kind of see the layout?
Sure.
So it's kind of like a bookshelf, huh?
Yeah, yeah, and it infinitely grows as you add more things. So you can have as much favorites as you want. So here's a magazine, here's Wired.
Do you have to swipe, or can you just select?
This one's an app, so it requires swiping. And
what about zooming in and out?
I don't know if they support it. We support multi-touch zooming, but it doesn't look like they support it.
Can you sideload PDFs?
Yeah, sure, but we don't think that people are going to do that as much because under the Docs tab, you have an email address for each Kindle Fire, and so you can just send your this for free, and it'll just magically appear on this shelf.
Do you have an email client on there?
We do have an email client. We're not showing it today, but it'll come out of the box with an email client.
And what about if you want to do some word processing? What's the best way to do that?
App Store.
Okay.
Yeah. So hopefully we'll have multiple selections by the time we ship in the App Store. That's the plan.
Is it just going to be Amazon App Store, or will there be stock Android App Store as well?
Oh, today it's just the Amazon App Store. We'll certainly talk to Google if they're interested. We certainly talk to them.
If you're doing browsing, can't you go to the Android market and download it?
Well, no, because Google requires that they authenticate the device with their DRM, and we don't have their DRM on the device at this point.
From a hardware perspective, what ports are available? Is it just charging?
Yeah, just USB, and that's for connecting to your PC, or also we have a charger, fast charger, and then you have on the bottom a headphone jack for headphones, and then a power sleep button.
And
so
battery,
I can put it to
and
sleep.
how long, usage-wise, video?
Yeah, you should get, in sort of a rundown test, you should be able to get over 3 films. So if you're on a plane with that Wi-Fi on, you should get over up to 7 hours.
You just unlocked the device. Can you do that again?
Sure.
And how do you